Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be learning from 1 to 15. We will color all these numbers with different colors. Let us get started. 1. Number 1. This is 2. Number 2. This is 3. Number 3. This is 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. This is 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7. This is 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. This is 10. Number 10. This is 11. Number 11. This is 12. Number 12. This is 13. Number 13. This is 14. Number 14. This is 15. Number 15. Let us read them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.